Hello YouTube, this is Orna Monagle and I am back with another Java tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a simple swing application that just displays text in a text area. Now, I've started off here with two classes, main and GUI. I think that's all that we need unless we want to expand upon it. So here we go. Public static main string array args. This is going to be our landing. Ooh, public static void main void to tell that it's a void method. It doesn't return any value. Now here's the constructor we're going to start off with. Now our variables jframe, just frame equals just that for now. We need a frame for our GUI, so we're going to use swings frame, and I prefer using containers to contain everything in it. Container. It's a small program, so the variables don't have to be that descriptive. That's the way I see it anyway. Right, so I suppose we'll pass through a string to display, to be displayed. Oops. Right, let's see. Right, now frame equals new jframe. Container equals new container. Now we're going to set some attributes for the frame. Frame dot set bounds. Always handy. Now this is the X, Y, and then width and height of the frame, and where the X and Y is where it's going to be placed on the screen. So let's just say 0, 0, so I end up in the corner, in the top left corner there. And let's see, we'll make it 150 by 150. Now container, and it'll be the same options for the container. It's going to be the same size as the frame, within the frame, at the coordinate 0, 0. Let's see, we're going to need a JText area, private JText area, text area. Gotta import it. There's our import declarations there. I like using the AWT container. That's AWT stands for Abstract Windows Toolkit, which is the default toolkit for creating GUIs in Java before Swing came out. Swing's a lot handier to use than 8OET, but I find the layout classes of swing to be a bit too confusing, and I prefer just to manually place everything with coordinates. So that's why I use the Abstract Windows Toolkit container. Now declare our text area. And our text area attributes here are going to be the same. Let's see. Now we will set them visible. Set visible true. Just copy paste that now. Container set visible and text area set visible. And let's see. This is where we put together the components of a swing application. This is where I'm going to do it anyway. It's the most logical choice to do it at the end of setting up all the attributes, because you don't want them to set after you already set them into place. You don't want to set the attributes after. So let's just say set visible, and you accidentally set it to false, and you did it after you put these components together, then you're going to wind up tracing through your code trying to figure out where you went wrong. It's just not good design in my opinion. Right, so frame dot add, and then you add the component container, and now container will add the text area. There it is, text area. And now we will set the text area text, set text, and to be displayed will be displayed. Now we go over to main and we type in new GUI to instantiate. Well, we're not really instantiating it, but new GUI, and well, where really stands it? Sorry, I'm very confused now. I've had a few mind wobblers earlier, and my head's not in the right place right now, but just stick with me. Now we put on the string here. This here is what is going to be displayed. I think that's going to outrun the windowed application here. Right, now let's start it and see what we get. This is here is going, yeah, so running it. You can also set what was I thinking? You can also set the frame title. Set title. Text area swing GUI, and we're going to increase the width of text area. Let's just say 250 pixels. There we go. And if you want to know how to how to make a new line in this, you use the escape keys, which are like this. That there will be a new line, like new line. This is a new line, and it should pop up here. See, new line. If once it gets to the end, it won't go down to a new line. It'll just keep going because the computer doesn't know any better. You have to tell it what to do. Let's see. Another escape character would be tab. This would be stand for tab, and it'll set it up. It'll just put it a tab forward, really, in the format. Well, that's really all it. That's how to make a simple swing application to display text. I think that'll be all from me. If you like the video, please subscribe so I can see where this is going. Anyway, I'm going to be off.